Clutter slowly takes over your home, your time, and your peace, until everything feels heavier than it should and harder to enjoy. Today, we are revealing Amazon organization essentials that help you reset your space, create visual calm, and regain that feeling of control that makes a home feel truly put together. These are smart upgrades that instantly elevate drawers, shelves, and rooms without feeling overwhelming. If you love clean, intentional spaces, give this video a like, subscribe for more curated finds, and tell me in the comments which area you want to organize next, because every product link is waiting for you in the description. Bathrooms feel messy faster than any other room, and most of the time, it is because the basics have nowhere to live. This is a slim toilet paper storage basket designed to keep everything in reach while staying visually clean. It holds up to 12 rolls in a tall, narrow shape that fits perfectly beside the toilet or sink. The soft fabric body feels light yet structured, while the bamboo handle and lid add a calm, spa-like touch. It keeps rolls hidden, organized, and easy to grab without cluttering the floor. Setup takes minutes, and when not needed, it folds flat and disappears. A small change that makes your bathroom feel intentional for $24.99. Shoes pile up faster than you expect, and suddenly floors, closets, and corners feel out of control. This is a vertical shoe rack built to reclaim space without taking over the room. 8 stackable tiers create clean height, while each level fits sneakers, flats, and boots with ease. The plastic frame handles humidity and wipes clean in seconds. It assembles quickly, locks in place, and keeps shoes aligned while protecting the wall. A simple upgrade that restores order for $27.99. Kitchen cabinets hide chaos until you crouch and everything disappears into the back. This is an expandable pull-out cabinet organizer that brings every item forward in one smooth motion. The silent steel slides glide quietly and support heavy cookware without bending. It installs in seconds using strong adhesive with no tools and no damage. Suddenly, pans, spices, and cans feel visible, reachable, and under control. A smart kitchen upgrade that changes daily routines for $24.99. Forgetting a dose rarely happens because people do not care. It happens because routines get busy and pills are scattered everywhere. This extra-large weekly pill organizer brings structure and calm to mornings and evenings. Each oversized compartment fits large vitamins, fish oils, and daily supplements without forcing or stacking. The smooth, easy open lids feel gentle on tired hands, while the clear window lets you confirm each dose at a glance. Color separation keeps day and night perfectly clear so nothing blends together. A simple daily system that builds confidence, consistency, and peace of mind for $9.99. Remote controls tend to disappear exactly when you want to relax, and that small frustration adds up every day. This is a compact desktop organizer designed to give every remote and essential a clear place. 5 separate compartments keep remotes, phones, pens, or makeup brushes upright and easy to reach. The vegan leather exterior feels smooth and refined, while the solid inner structure keeps everything stable on tables or desks. It blends into living rooms, bedrooms, or offices without visual noise. A subtle organization upgrade that feels polished and intentional for $9.99. Messy bottles sliding around the shower quietly ruin what should feel like a clean reset to your day. This 3-in-1 wall-mounted soap dispenser replaces clutter with structure and control. 3 separate chambers keep shampoo, conditioner, and body wash perfectly aligned and easy to reach. Each pump delivers the right amount so nothing drips or gets wasted, and the clear window lets you see levels instantly. The solid wall mount feels secure and turns your shower into a streamlined space that looks calm and intentional. It removes visual noise, reduces daily friction, and creates a sense of order that feels almost automatic every time you step in. Your shower starts to feel designed instead of improvised, and that changes the mood of the entire routine. A practical upgrade that makes every shower feel more refined for $31.99. Reading for long periods often turns uncomfortable faster than expected, especially when posture starts to slip. An adjustable wooden book stand transforms that experience into something balanced and controlled. Height and angle adjustments keep books perfectly positioned, while the rotating base lets pages turn toward you without moving the stand. Extendable clips hold even thick textbooks or cookbooks flat and steady, so focus stays uninterrupted. The solid wood body feels stable, refined, and visually calm on any desk or kitchen counter. A small built-in tray keeps essentials close and organized. A thoughtful upgrade that protects comfort and focus for $27.76. Closets look organized until you need a specific sheet set, and everything collapses into a soft, messy pile. Bed sheet storage organizers bring structure back to linen closets and drawers. Each container fits a full sheet or duvet set and keeps it neatly folded and protected. The sturdy fabric walls hold their shape while stacking cleanly to save space. A clear window and label system let you spot exactly what you need without digging or unfolding stacks. Everything stays separated, visible, and easy to return after laundry, which removes friction from everyday routines and keeps closets looking consistent instead of chaotic. When not in use, they fold flat and stay out of sight. A simple system that saves time, reduces visual clutter, and keeps closets feeling calm and intentional for $19.99. Photos, crafts, and small keepsakes often end up scattered in drawers where memories slowly get lost or damaged. A clear photo storage box creates a system that finally brings order and peace of mind. 18 inner cases lock securely inside a sturdy outer container, so every category stays separated and protected. Each box fits standard photos cards or supplies while remaining visible at a glance. The acid-free plastic preserves memories over time, and the snap closures keep everything secure. A built-in handle makes it easy to move, store, or reorganize without stress. Instead of searching and sorting, you simply open, grab, and enjoy, knowing everything has its place for $29.99. Soft clutter builds up fast when blankets, toys, and pillows have nowhere to land, and suddenly a room feels unfinished. A woven cotton basket brings calm back without changing the style of your space. The thick rope body feels gentle, yet holds its shape, keeping throws, baby toys, or laundry contained and easy to grab. Neutral tones blend naturally into living rooms, nurseries, or bedrooms, while the wide opening makes daily resets effortless. It stays soft for kids, safe for pets, and strong enough to handle constant use. When filled, it looks styled, not stored, and that changes how the room feels. A simple home upgrade that feels warm, intentional, and lasting for $29.99. A car trunk never starts messy. It slowly turns into a place where groceries tip over, gear rolls around, and everything feels harder to find when you need it most. Order changes that experience completely. A collapsible trunk organizer creates clear zones for daily life, with multiple compartments that adapt to whatever you are carrying that day. Reinforced walls keep their shape under real weight, while non-slip strips prevent shifting during turns or sudden stops. Extra pockets keep tools, cables, and small items visible instead of buried. Waterproof fabric handles spills dirt and unexpected messes without stress, and cleanup stays quick. Daily errands, road trips, and family outings feel easier because everything stays where it belongs, and unloading takes seconds instead of minutes. When the trip ends, it folds flat and stores away easily. Reinforced handles make carrying feel secure and controlled. Suddenly, the trunk feels calm, intentional, and ready for anything. A smart upgrade that brings control back to every drive for $19.97. Moving and seasonal storage usually mean cardboard boxes, torn handles, and endless guessing about what is inside. Heavy-duty moving storage bags change that experience completely. Each oversized clear tote opens wide so bulky bedding, clothes, or decor slide in without fighting the zipper. The woven material feels strong and dependable, while reinforced seams and wraparound handles support real weight without tearing. Visibility removes the need for labels and digging, since everything is recognizable at a glance. When the job is done, the bags fold flat and store away instead of piling up like boxes. They work for moving college days, garage storage, or seasonal decor, and reuse again and again without waste. A practical upgrade that replaces boxes with flexibility, strength, and clarity for $56.99. Bathrooms rarely have enough storage, and that lack of space slowly turns counters into cluttered surfaces that never feel calm. An over-the-toilet cabinet solves that problem by using vertical space that usually goes to waste. This sturdy wooden organizer adds enclosed storage exactly where it is needed most, keeping toiletries, paper, and essentials out of sight but always within reach. Adjustable shelves adapt easily to tall bottles, baskets, or daily items, so nothing feels forced or cramped. The double doors close cleanly, creating a tidy visual line that instantly elevates the room. The solid structure feels stable and secure, while the warm finish blends naturally with modern or classic bathrooms. Instead of adding shelves everywhere, the space feels intentional, organized, and balanced. A smart bathroom upgrade that brings order, style, and long-term function together for $102.99. Small spaces feel crowded fast when storage grows outward instead of upward. A tall bamboo shelving unit changes that balance instantly. 6 adjustable tiers create vertical order without overwhelming the room, and each shelf adapts easily to books, plants, baskets, or daily essentials. The natural bamboo finish brings warmth and calm while staying light enough to move and reposition as your space evolves. Open shelving keeps everything visible and accessible without visual heaviness. It feels stable, secure, and intentional, whether placed in a living room, office, bathroom, or kitchen. Instead of filling corners with bulky furniture, the room feels lighter, taller, and more organized. A thoughtful storage upgrade that blends function and natural style for $89.99. Laundry becomes exhausting when heavy baskets need to be lifted and dragged across the room. A rolling laundry hamper turns that chore into something smoother and more controlled. The large fabric bag holds full loads of clothes or bedding, while the sturdy metal frame keeps everything upright and stable. Smooth wheels glide easily across floors and lock in place when needed, so nothing shifts or tips over. The removable bag makes carrying clothes simple, and the front pocket keeps small items from getting lost. It keeps bedrooms and laundry rooms feeling organized instead of chaotic. A practical daily upgrade that makes laundry feel lighter for $26.98. Shoes at the entrance pile up fast and instantly change how your home feels the moment you walk in. A flip shoe cabinet restores order without stealing space. 2 hidden drawers keep pairs neatly stored while staying quick to access when you are heading out. The slim profile fits against the wall, and the rustic finish adds warmth instead of visual clutter. Adjustable shelves adapt to flats, boots, or heels, so nothing feels forced. The top surface becomes a landing zone for daily essentials, and airflow keeps everything fresh. A smart entryway upgrade that blends storage and style for $53.99. Bathroom counters feel crowded fast when daily essentials have nowhere to disappear. A recessed mirror cabinet solves that problem while elevating the entire space. Behind a clean, frameless mirror sits hidden storage that keeps skincare tools and toiletries organized and out of sight. Adjustable shelves adapt easily to tall bottles or small gadgets, so everything fits naturally. The lightweight aluminum body feels solid and resists moisture without warping, which makes installation easier and long-term use worry-free. Soft closing doors keep mornings quiet, and the clear mirror sharpens daily routines. A refined storage upgrade that blends design and function for $109.98. Clutter spreads quickly when storage lacks structure and small items take over every surface. A 6-cube storage organizer restores order with a layout that adapts to your space. Each cube creates a clear zone for clothes, books, toys, or baskets, while the modular design lets you change the shape as needs evolve. Lightweight and simple to assemble, it works in bedrooms, closets, or kids' rooms without visual heaviness. A flexible, everyday solution for $22.51. Closets feel overwhelming when everything is stacked, but nothing is truly accessible. These collapsible storage bins bring instant clarity with a shape designed for real daily use. The open trapezoid front lets you see and grab clothes, towels, or blankets without digging. Each bin holds generous loads while staying structured and easy to move thanks to reinforced handles on every side. They slide perfectly onto shelves, beds, or dressers and fold flat when not needed. Neutral fabric blends into any room without visual noise. A simple organization upgrade that saves space, time, and stress for $18.98. Shower clutter builds fast when bottles fight for space and everything feels scattered. A wall-mounted shower caddy set brings order back with a layout that actually works for daily routines. Multiple shelves create clear zones for shampoo, soap, razors, and essentials, so nothing piles up or tips over. Strong adhesive mounting holds securely without drilling and keeps walls clean. Stainless steel construction stays solid in humid spaces and resists rust over time. Everything remains visible, easy to reach, and quick to reset after each shower. It works for shared bathrooms, kitchens, or utility areas without visual noise. a practical organization upgrade that simplifies mornings and evenings for $17.99.